Okay everyone, we're back. It's a little windy out right now, but this is the area that we was working in this morning. I cleaned this area out. You know, we were planting Zinnias and Dahlia seeds in this high rise. So, and also back in this corner here, we planted iris. We took some of the iris out of this area here so we can have a trail going to the high rise. Okay, so this area we should have a lot of flowers in a few weeks. So we cleaned this area out. I'm going to plant seed. I'm going to put more chips here, about 5 more bags of chips in this area, and also in this area here, and over here by the plumbagos. We're gonna put a bench here. I've been looking for a bench to put there in that area. So we're gonna move you back over here. Also, in other areas of the garden, we did plant the seeds of the Zinnias and Dahlias. Go around it, make sure that it's completely sealed. Whew. Okay, we got it all done, folks. We got it all done. So this is your high rise. I'd say that's about 14 inches high. I'm gonna take you over here. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna put it right here, the high-rise bed going right here in this spot. And we have a trail coming through here. The trail is coming through here. Okay, we have a little trail coming through here, and the high rise goes here. So we're gonna move these plants out the way. One here. Okay, this is an iris plant here. This is an iris plant. I'm going to set them over here in this corner. Trail coming through here. Some banana plant right there. Pull this grass out. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this plastic underneath the high-rise bed. I'm going to take the plastic. We already have plastic here already. So what we're going to do is use some of these chips for our little trail we're putting through there. So you're getting a lesson on arranging a bed as well, okay? So we're gonna take some of these chips. You see that plastic there? So we're gonna put more. Woo! Okay, so you're getting a bed arrangement course, and so we got enough plastic there. I'm gonna put another section there. Okay, so set your container there. That look nice. Move it over just a little. Just a little. Okay, that's perfect. Now what we're going to do is create our walkway here. Yep, just like that. Okay, what we're gonna do now is put our soil in the high rise. Garden soil. Okay, we're gonna put this down at the bottom. We're gonna put this here at the bottom here. Okay, bag of that. I was checking to make sure that you got On the side, the water will be able to drain out. It'll be able to drain out. So you got to make sure that you got well drainage. So it will be able to drain out. All right, let's see here. Okay, this is all-purpose garden soil. We're going to put 2 bags of this in here. It feeds up to 3 months. Feeds up to 3 months. Look at that soil. Nutrients, full of nutrients. Woo! Okay, we got 2 more bags. Let's see here. That's good enough. We'll put more, but we're gonna leave it like that. Now, okay, this is Miracle Growth potting mix. You have everything you need in this bag. Feeds up to 6 months. So you got your peat, you got your nutrients, and you also have perlite in this bag. So let's mix it up. Mix it up. Woo. Look at that. You got all the nutrients that you need. Okay, everybody. We got Dahlia and Zinnia. We're gonna plant these about 8 inches apart. Take about 10 days and they'll germinate. About a 1/4 inch deep. So that's what we're gonna do now. I have the seeds. Look at this pack of seeds here. We have a lot of seeds. So we're gonna mainly plant 2 gardens, one here and one on the other side over there. I'll take you over there in a few minutes. And the remainder, we're just gonna place them around the garden. So, what we're gonna do now is make our little holes. We want this container to be filled with flowers. We're gonna be generous. We ain't gonna just put 2, we're gonna put more than 2. We got a lot of seeds. Okay. Now we're gonna cover those up. Everything on this side, let's cover them up. You're supposed to plant them directly in the sun. So this is directly in the sun. Woo! Gonna have a little shade from this fence, but that's okay. They're gonna need a little shade. And we're gonna water those in. Okay. Okay, folks, there you go. What I'm gonna do now, get some of this grass out the way. Okay, everyone, we're back. It's a little windy out right now, but this is the area that we was working in this morning. I cleaned this area out. You know, we were planting Zinnias and Dahlia seeds in this high rise. So, and also back in this corner here, we planted iris. We took some of the iris out of this area here so we can have a trail going to the high rise. Okay, so this area we should have a lot of flowers in a few weeks. So we cleared this area out, and I'm going to plant seed. I'm going to put more chips here, about 5 more bags of chips in this area, and also in this area here, and over here by the plumbagos, we're going to put a bench here. I've been looking for a bench to put there in that area. So we're going to move you back over here. Also, in other areas of the garden, we did plant the seeds of the Zinnias and Dahlias seeds. Like in this area here, along this trail, we planted some here. Now, in this area here where we used to have a banana tree, we did plant some Zinnias and Dahlia seeds here. So in a few weeks, we should have full colors here and coming along this trail here. So we just wanted you to know what was going on, what we did for today. Thank you for going with us as we did this garden work. And actually we did a whole new area over there where we planted the Dahlia seeds and the Zinnia seeds in the high rise. So we actually created a whole new garden bed over there. So it didn't take long. Just think we did about an hour and a half. All of that in about an hour and a half. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again on the next one. Goodbye.